Hi everyone, Ownice fans, this is Alex. Today I'm gonna show you this Ownice K1 series. The engine system we use is Engine 6.0, which always be the most stable system in engine series. Featuring universal car DVD player, you can see it right there. This is the most ultra slim one that I have never seen. From customer's point of view, Ownice K1 will be more easier to install. Its stable performance and reasonable price to give every driver a better buying experience. Okay, let's start it. Our user interface is very easy to understand and operate. When you want to listen to the radio during the driving, we got automatic channel search function. Just only need a couple of seconds to find your favorite channels. You can also search your channels in numbers here. About multimedia, let us move to the music and video section. Starting from music. Our multimedia support 1080 progressive video play. And very easy to set the volume and progress. Ownice K1 also built in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Firstly, we open the Bluetooth and connect it. Blue lights mean it was connected successfully. Now enjoy the music on your phone. Also, we can make a phone call through the BT. This is our 4G dongle with 4G internet and TIFF card reader. Also, we got 4G antennas for better signal receptions. After powering on, it will be very fast to load the websites. All the passengers in the car are also able to connect the Wi-Fi from this dongle. Easy connection can support 3 methods: Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, let's check it out. Here we use iPhone to connect. First, we need to open the iPhone hotspot. And connect it. After successfully connection, we open the screen mirroring of your iPhone. As you can see, what you can see on the phone can be shown on the screen of Ownice K1 as well. Now let us enjoy the videos. Here comes the navigation. And here will be the demonstration of the Navy. For the CarPlay, you can directly control your phone on our car DVD screen, such as play the music. We can also make a phone call.
For you.
Lisa.
Calling Lisa.
We can also send and receive message.
Want to hear unread messages or create a new one?
New message.
Okay, to whom?
Lisa.
What do you want to say?
Hello.
Your message to Lisa says, "Hello. Ready to send it?"
Send.
I'll send your message.
We can also get directions. CarPlay was all in a way that allowed you to focus on the road. Just connect your iPhone and go. With TPMS supported, Ownice K1 can display the temperature and tire pressure with high accuracy to monitor the 4 tires on the screen for safe driving. With OBD2 supported, Ownice K1 is gonna be a window to diagnose your car status. Here it comes. This is the video captured by our DVR. It's gonna be a proof or a data if there is any traffic accidents. Thank you for watching. Ownice make driving easy and safe with great fun.
Всем рекомендую фирму Ownice. Покупайте мониторы Ownice.